Hey guys, RP here, and today we're taking a look at the BREVO hot air fryer, which is really kind of a convection oven with touchscreen control. It's, I think, 1450 watts. You can see here that I've got 2 minutes left in my cooking cycle at 400 degrees. I use the one-touch setting for French fries, which cooks it at about 18 minutes. Essentially, it's a cylinder. Let me turn up the light for you here. This is a cylinder that has a fan built into the top section up here, and in the bottom is a double basket type of receptacle. And as you can see, I can put my hand against this and it's not burning my skin at all, which is kind of nice. It's warm, it's quite warm. They tell you not to put it on a countertop that might burn. Let me adjust the light a little bit here. But what I've done with this unit, I've got a minute to go, and I put French fries and chicken nuggets into it. What surprised me first about it was how big it is. This is my hand. I've got a big size man hand, and you can see if you're a big size man, then it's going to be, you know, in a circle as big as your hand. Touch screen control is really cool. You just press this power button to start the whole thing off, and then you press this little menu button here to select through the pre-defined settings, or you can set your own temperature and time. Now I have no idea how this is going to turn out. But like I said, the weight of it was it was heavier than I thought. And also what I've done is I put it on a plate here because I have it on a resin table. But as you can see, it's just not that hot. And there we go. The timer has gone off, and I have no idea how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to open up the bottom here. Oh, look at that. Wow. That looks perfect. Let me pour this out onto a plate. Oh my goodness. Let me put this back in here. Locks back in, goes on. Oh my goodness. Crispy. How about the fries? Oh my gosh. Yes, crispy. Hear that? They are very crispy. I had no idea that this would work this well. What I did was I just got one of these little cheap banquet chicken nuggets and fries thing to try it with, and I used a preset, and it came out perfect. It would never come out this good in a microwave, because you know those are dreadful. I might have, kind of depends on how crunchy you want them. Let me see. Yeah, because these are really crunchy, so I probably next time I would cut back on the time just a little bit. But here's a look at the chamber inside the unit. There's a basket there. It's all metal, so you just drop your stuff in there. One thing is, if you're cooking like cooking a full basket of things, you'll need to shake it halfway through the cooking process. But don't worry, if you pull it out, it will automatically shut off and resume where it was before. But hey, I give this a great big thumbs up. Thanks for staying with me, and have a sparkling day.